Welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are making buffalo shrimp tacos. You are not going to want to miss this one. Well, thanks so much for stopping by. I am your charming host, Chef John Politte. And if this is your first time watching, or you just want to learn how to make awesome food, or maybe even start your own cooking channel, then go ahead and do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right there, and then click on that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. All right, well, you clicked on this video to see me make buffalo shrimp tacos. So let's head in the kitchen, check out what our ingredients are, and get this started. All right, I've got the shrimp thawing out in the sink here. They are pre-cooked. They were on sale. I couldn't pass them up. All we're gonna do is snip off the tails, throw them in the frying pan with the buffalo sauce. All right, then we're gonna go blue cheese, shredded lettuce, buffalo sauce. I got 3 celery here, 3 ribs, and then of course our taco shells. I recommend the 6-inch. All right, I'm just going to take the celery and I'm going to do a nice fine dice on it, which will add some crunch to our tacos and also be part of the lovely presentation. And these are pre-cooked shrimp, like I said. So I am just going to cut off the tails. We'll go about 3 shrimp per taco. These are 21.25s. It's 21 to 25 in each pound. Prep is done. We're just going to head over to the pan. We're going to saute these up, add the buffalo sauce, and then we're ready to go. All right, just added some oil to the pan. I just want to coat the bottom. Enough for the shrimp to cook in there. Let that get hot, and we'll throw the shrimp in. Throw all the shrimp in there. These are pre-cooked, so all we're doing is heating them back up. Nobody likes cold shrimp in their hot taco. And pour some buffalo sauce in there. Let these simmer in there real good. Then I'm going to plate and present these up for you. Take some lovely photos for social media. And we're going to lay those down into a timeline with some funky music. And we'll be back to taste them, let you know how they taste. These tacos here, I don't know which one I want to try. I'll take the one in the middle, this one right here. That's the one I pick. You can see 3 shrimp in there with the blue cheese, and I put some parsley in there for greenery too. The celery for the crunch, and I got shredded lettuce on the bottom of that, and the buffalo sauce is on it, underneath and on top, and it's also been cooked in. But I'm going to switch out to the tripod and we'll try this out. There it is. Beautiful taco there, big shrimp on there with a little blue cheese. And we'll go ahead and take a bite out of this. Let me take this way though. Get a shrimp in there. Oh, very, very good. Very good. Sorry for that transition there, but I was going to have you watch me chew. Very good. Taste that. Oh yeah, that little bite there now. That shrimp is awesome, cooked in that buffalo sauce. You get that bitterness coming off the blue cheese just like you would if you were having wings at a restaurant, with that celery crunch coming up right behind it. The shredded lettuce just kind of as a filler. And then inside of that taco shell that we had. 6 inches probably better unless you want a Mondo one. Then you can get a 12-inch burrito shell and roll up a nice big chimichurri. You can add whatever you want to this. You can add sour cream, you can add cheeses, you can add guacamole, salsa, pico de gallo, whatever you would like in this. I just did it simple, just so we could get a nice show here up on It's Only Food for you to watch. Thanks a lot for watching. We made buffalo shrimp tacos. I have got a playlist that I'm going to put right here that is for dormitory cooking food. If you've got some college-age kids that you know, go ahead and send them this link for that playlist that I've got. They will not be disappointed. This is going to be added to that playlist. So thanks a lot for watching. All right, well, I've got this recipe right down there in the description box, and there's also some other things I'd like you to check while you're down there. One, I've left 2 links down there for my e-commerce store where I sell my seasonings, spices, and herb blends. 2, if you're a YouTuber and you are a creator, then you need to check that TubeBuddy link. Go ahead and hit that. That will give you the views and the subscribers that you need to make your show a success. And then 3, all my affiliate links for all my equipment that I use are down there as well. They are affiliate links, so I do get a little bit of a cut every time somebody buys something that I recommend. All right, well, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so yet. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Leave us a comment down below. And then make sure you share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food. Take care. Bye-bye.